As we head into the fall, there's one important maintenance task that often gets overlooked: cleaning out your dryer vent. It might not be the first thing on your to-do list, but trust me, it's crucial for your safety and your dryer's performance. Over time, lint and debris can build up in your dryer vent. When that happens, it restricts airflow, which can cause your dryer to overheat. This isn't just bad for your appliances, it's a major fire hazard. In fact, clogged dryer vents are one of the leading causes of house fires. So how do you prevent this? By giving your dryer vent a thorough cleaning at least once a year, and fall is the perfect time to do it. Start by unplugging your dryer and pulling it away from the wall so you can access the vent hose. If your dryer is gas powered, make sure to turn off the gas supply before you move it. Next, disconnect the vent hose from the back of the dryer. Use a vent cleaning brush to reach inside and remove as much lint as possible. Be thorough. Lint can stick to the sides of the hose and the vent pipe, so take your time and get it all out. You can also buy attachments that hook up to your drill that can give it a really thorough cleaning. Here's another tip. If you have a leaf blower, you can use it to blow out any remaining debris in the vent. Just insert the leaf blower into the vent hose inside your home and turn it on. This will push all the lint and debris outside. But before you do this, make sure to remove the filter or screen on the exterior vent cover, or the debris will just clog up at the top. When you're outside, check the exterior vent where the hose exits your house. Remove the filter or screen temporarily so the debris can blow out freely. While you're at it, make sure the vent flap opens and closes properly. It should move freely to allow airflow when the dryer is running and close when it's not. This will help keep out cold air and pests. Once you've cleaned the vent hose and exterior vent, reattach everything securely and push your dryer back into place. Plug it in and you're good to go. By cleaning your dryer vent this fall, you're doing more than just improving your dryer's efficiency. You're also reducing the risk of dangerous fire in your home. It's a simple task that makes a big difference. If you want to learn more about home maintenance, check out my Handy Homeowner online course. Stay safe, stay proactive, and I'll see you in the next video.